2:39 a.m. Getting ready to go up Pikes Peak. It's supposed to be single digits by the time we get up there. So we'll see how this goes. Roughly 25 miles a day with Rodney from Alabama, the guy I met. So, yep. I'm packed up right here. Trying to go light, but taking stuff that I need to do good. There's my CMCMs. Hey, baby. Yeah, see you on trail. Bye. We just got to the Barr Trail parking lot. Got about 3:45 in the morning, just waiting on Rodney. It's been beautiful all week. Just figures today is the day that the storm's coming through. It's like a mix of rain and snow right now. Got some extra gear. You can be careful, kind of watch the weather, especially when you break tree line. You never know what's going to happen above 10, 11,000 feet. You can get storms that come in real fast, so you got to be careful. Yeah, 12 miles each way, roughly. About 7,000 feet of elevation gain. So hopefully we make it to the top. It's just going to be a long day. Probably be coming back down in the dark too. It's exciting. Ready to do this again. Had a great time Christmas Eve. Hopefully have a good time this time too. Peace out. Bye. There he is. We weren't paying attention, kind of went off the wrong trail. Found another one, according to GPS, looks like he's going the right way. I'll tell you what, it's gorgeous out here though, but it is deep. Yeah. Look, you can barely see it, you can definitely tell it's been used. But it is so pretty out here. Better put this thing away. See if we can get up to the bar camp. Talk to you guys later. I don't care that we got sidetracked. It is freaking gorgeous up here. Oh my god. We're almost back at the trail though. But it is just so beautiful. I see what I'm looking at too. It's gorgeous. It's the way it just came up. Eventually, oh, there's something on the lens. Yep. He's coming. He's down there somewhere. Look at this. It's all just untouched, fresh powder. Looks like the trail goes right through that way. Take us back to Barr Trail. Just amazing, amazing. I just love being out here. Here he comes. There he is. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Hey guys. 6 miles up, still on Barr Trail. Almost at bar camp. You see the trail down there. Been a breaking trail the whole time. No one else has come up this way today. There's got to be, I mean, I'm staying on top of snow right now. There's got to be 6 to 8 inches of snow. I say 8. And it's still coming down. I mean, it's, weather forecast isn't calling for it to stop till 7. We're really slow going. Combination of things. The snow. And I think he's having a hard time with the elevation. So we'll see what we got to do when we get to bar camp. We might call it and just hang out there for a little bit and then head back down and go grab lunch. But it's gorgeous though. I'll tell you, all this gear is working awesome. It's Arc'teryx Beta AR. Freaking love it, man. I got my Mie fleece line pants, scarper boots, these Decine gloves. Everything's working great, and I think this is kind of going to be my setup for when I do the when I start and do the New England National Scenic Trail and onto the NCT and stuff. It's kind of what I've been wearing. All I got underneath this is a base layer on the top, thin base layer. I think it's like a 150. And I got nothing on the bottoms, and I am very comfortable. So we'll see how it all goes. Get up to Barr Camp and figure this out. Peace. I'm gonna keep it out and walk the trail a little bit. We're almost at Barr Camp. So I'll show you how beautiful it is out here. I was waiting for him to come up. I saw him a second ago. Is that him right there? You alright, Bama? Yeah. This is a tough one, dude. Let's walk up the trail a little bit. I'm not going to say much. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy it. Hopefully I don't fall. I've fallen a couple, well, it's not fallen yet, slipped a couple times, but see how deep the snow is. I'm going to trekking pole, the black part. That's the first section of pole. So, yeah, about 8 to 10 inches so far. And it just started snowing this morning at 4 a.m. It's now 9:30. So yeah, I definitely don't think we're going all the way up, because that'd be another 4 or 5 hours at this pace, which means another 6 to 8 inches of snow on top of this. So looking a foot to a foot and a half. And then we have to turn around and go 13 miles back down. So if you figure all that in, yeah, we might have 2 feet of snow out here if we don't turn around soon enough. I don't have spikes on yet. Definitely gonna put them on up at Barr Camp for the trip down. Probably, I'm gonna put my gaiters on. I haven't had them on yet, so I probably don't need them, but definitely putting my spikes on. Just enjoy this view for a little bit, guys. It's so beautiful. Oh man, gorgeous. Gotta be close. Alright, let y'all go for a minute. I'll bring you back when we get to Barr. If you don't know, this is Barr Camp. Jesus Christ. I gotta put my spikes on. He's coming up here. There's like ice underneath the snow here. Hey, campsites all over the place. Just walk through here. I'll see if I can record inside. Pretty cool spot though. It really is. Alright guys. Maybe up here gonna let you go. Inside Barr Camp. That sounds nice and warm, doesn't it? There you go. Feels better now. What is?
You put a skillet on.
Oh.
Your gloves. One of your gloves fell, and I'm watching it. Burn.
Oh, I was like, hey, what's?
I'm just kidding. You